Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off Wi-Fi assist on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. In your home screen, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the Cellular. In the Cellular, scroll down, then find the Wi-Fi Assist. In the Wi-Fi Assist, it will help to automatically use the cellular data when the Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So on the Wi-Fi Assist, you will see a switch button on the right side of it. Just turn it on to enable. And if you want to turn it off, the Wi-Fi Assist, just press again the switch button to disable. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off our Wi-Fi Assist on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.